In today's video, I'm going to teach you using assets from your custom database. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the asset browser, point it to your own library, quickly find what you need, and bring assets into your scene using the method that suits your workflow. First, open the asset browser. You'll find it under the window menu, then choose Asset Browser. If it opens as a floating panel, feel free to dock or resize it so you can see thumbnails comfortably while you work. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're in the correct workspace and that the Asset Browser panel isn't hidden behind other windows. At the top of the Asset Browser, look for the Database dropdown. This is where you select your custom database. If you have multiple libraries, they'll appear in the list. Choose your custom one, and the content area will refresh to show its categories, tags, and thumbnails. If your database doesn't appear, make sure it's been added to your libraries and that you're not filtered to a different source. Now, locate the asset you want. You can browse through categories on the left or use the search bar to find it by name, tag, or keyword. Clear, consistent naming really helps here, as do tags if your library supports them. Thumbnails and previews can give you a quick visual check before loading, and any metadata shown, like type, version, or description, can confirm you've got the right item. When you're ready to load, you have three convenient options. The first is drag and drop. Click the asset in the browser and drag it directly into your scene or into the relevant manager panel. You'll typically see a highlight or placement cue before you release. This method is perfect when you want precise placement or to target a specific manager. The second method is to double-click the asset. This loads it into your scene using default settings, which is a fast way to get the item in and start blocking out a layout. Once it appears, you can move, rotate, or adjust it like any other object. The third method is to right-click the asset. For full objects or scenes, choose Load. If the asset is a node-based element, choose Create Node. Load brings the object or scene into your current project. Create Node adds it to your node graph so you can wire it into your setup. That's the full workflow. Open the asset browser, select your custom database, find the asset, and load it by dragging, double-clicking, or right-clicking. Save your scene, and you're ready to keep building.